Hi, it's Miss Todoric from the Cool Classroom. Here are the quiz results. So take a minute and fill in the ones you got wrong. So it was out of 26. So you'll see 25 out of 26. This student right here, this was the highest grade in the class. He got one wrong. Most students got that wrong. I wanted, instead of remove, I don't know what you're removing, like the whole paragraph, the text. I want a little bit more specific. So to remove the formatting, clear formatting. So that was Control Q. And then the bonus for 5 points is to name everyone by first name in the class, including myself. And then you had to make an entire list of like 25 students. I think the student got, I think, probably like 18, 19 of that 25. So that was the most. So this one got the bonus. So good job. Remember, in business, network, get to know everyone. Till next time, congrats. Bye.